uphold human rights and oppose all forms of discrimination, largely aspirational, it must be said. Now, apart from these continuing symptoms of this stomach bug, officials say that her health is good, but they are, of course, looking at the engagements in her diary for the remainder of this week, and the hope is that she will be attending some, but not necessarily all of them.
All right, Nick, thanks very much. And the time is just gone 13 minutes past 6. Our top story tonight.